Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to introduce you a real new god of this universe, and you all should pray and bow down to him because he has so much power. And he is Takusaki. He is going to raise the dead. He can stop the flood, and he can start and stop the raining. And not over this, he controls the universe. So if you have any problem, if you want your dead come to life, if you want to stop the raining, don't worry. From today, just pray Takasaki. And then he will help you. He is not bound to help everyone. Do please him with your good deeds. Do sacrifice your animals. Do sacrifice your people. Do sacrifice your blood. Give the foods and these kind of things. If he will be pleased with you, he may help you. Otherwise, he will ignore you. Because Takusaki is so mean. He is not going to be very happy easily. You have to do hard efforts. But once he is pleased with you, he will use his superpowers that he has, and then he can bring your dad back to life. He can give you water, and through the water, he can revive the dead land back to life. He can revive the fruits. He can revive the animals. He can do anything when he wants because he has power over the universe. So from today, you have to accept this new God. All the past former gods that were created by other people, forget about that. They do not have power like this Takusaki. You should have this in your mind. So from today, this was the introduction of the God of Universe, Takusaki. Thank you so much.